What is going on, guys? So I want to talk to you guys about something that's extremely important, and it is talking about something that hasn't happened since 2013 in some cases, and 2 years ago in another case. So in terms of 2019, the IRS is allowing us to increase our 401k contributions to $19,000, which is up from $18,500 last year, and our IRA limit to $6,000, which is up from $5,500. They have not allowed us to increase the IRA contributions since 2013. I remember when I first started investing in an IRA. It's always been $5,500 for me, which is astonishing because I've now been investing for almost 6 years. So the fact that they're now allowing us to increase that is absolutely phenomenal. As you guys are probably aware, if you are over 50 years old, that means your contribution is increased by another $1,000, so you're able to increase or totally save $7,000 in 2019 in your IRA. This is associated with traditional IRAs as well as Roth IRAs. Just remember that for those of you that are higher income, you may have to phase out your Roth IRAs. There's other information on IRS.gov about at what point they start phasing out. I think it's slightly increased in terms of when you actually start have to phasing out your IRAs. But that's basically it, and that's all I really wanted to let you guys know. I think it's a great thing. It kind of sucks when cost of living goes up 2 to 3% every year, but you're not able to save an additional 2 to 3% tax advantage wise in your 401k or your IRA. So it's very nice that this year it's actually going to go up. I know I'm going to take advantage of it. I've already got almost $4,000 in my traditional IRA just waiting, for me to contribute another $2,000, and then, roll it over. So, very excited about the prospects, but I want to let everyone else know, it's extremely important that you take advantage of your tax advantage accounts, and help avoid some of the taxes that you're allowed to avoid by doing this. But yeah, I'd love to hear your guys' suggestions about anything else. There's a whole bunch of other material in here that I haven't read yet. All I obviously read was the highlights, which was the increases in the 401k and IRA contributions. But if you guys have any interesting things that you find, if you read this article, you read anything from USA Today or anything like that, or US News, in any of these articles, let me know. Very curious if you find anything, but all I really care about is the top line numbers. I honestly, personally, don't fully contribute my 401k. I just do whatever my company matches, and the reason being is, I don't want to over contribute to my 401k and then lock it in to the point where I have to wait till I'm 60 to get it out. So what I do is act as if I'm investing into my 401k as if I will retire at 60, and then my IRA, as I need, fully max out my IRA. And if I end up having to retire, late 40s, early 50s, I then have money outside of my 401k that I can use to get me to the point where I can start withdrawing my 401k. But that's a different story for a different day. It's a different strategy video. I'd love to talk to you guys more about that later. But wanted to give you guys the great news. I'm surprised I haven't seen more people on YouTube talk about it. So I'm a little bit late to the table in terms of talking about this because it happened back all the way in November time frame. But not a lot of people are talking about it, so I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention, especially those of you that are new to investing and aren't very familiar with limits and stuff like that. So happy investing and be great, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.